Brent, you're down with 11.503. Adam, you're down with 11.508. Chris, you're down with 13.508. Sean, you're down with 13.521. Steve, you're down with 13.521.
Would you have a 19, Duffy? My first 2 laps, like for like 4 seconds.
Right, that's Bushman with 11.531. Where's our last guy? Did he back out? Larry? It didn't change position. So it was Chris, Don, Sean, Steve, Eli, Larry, Adam, Brent, Butch, and then the Hammer. Up next is the stadium trucks. You can go ahead and go across the line. Mark, Mike, Bill, Jerry, and Brent. Okay, that's who is that, Brent?
No, not that one. That one only uses SFHSS and TFHSS.
Okay, wait.
Original FHSS you can't use. And you can only use the regular FHSS and the SFHSS in the.
Okay, we're all checked in.
You can't use the T's.
Just wait for my marshals.
Oh, no, I've been running Spectrum for years now.
Need Chris, Don, Sean, Steve, Eli, Larry,
yeah, it's like with
Adam,
Spectrum
Brent,
with the DSM1,
Butch, and the
DSM2.
Hammer. All right. That looks like we got enough to get us started. Let's go ahead and go. In less than 5, it will be Mark on the tone.
Yeah,
yep. Sorry,
it's just Futaba trying to get everybody to upgrade the receivers.
Mike.
Or just get away from, stop people from using clones.
Bill. Jerry.
Also, I like on this like they're cheap and I can.
And we're off and racing, folks.
First.
Sorry about that cold start. I was talking to somebody handed me something at the same time. So.
Second. Third. First.
Oh, he's stuck in the middle of the doubles and the quad.
First. Second.
All right, holding first place right now is Mark Baldwin with 12.520. Jerry Tobias running at 12.525.
Third.
Brent running 11.524. Mike running at 10.510 and Bill running at 10.519.
Second. Fourth.
Mark holding a 0.7 second lead over Jerry.
First. Third. Second.
Jerry keeping that lead over Brent for second place. Only 0.7 seconds away from Mark in first place. Make that 0.8 seconds. but keeping it going. You both just ran fast laps of the 26.3, both of you.
Second.
All right, down to 2 minutes and 15 seconds left in this race. Mark Holton will lead with a 12.5.19. Mark Jerry running at 12.5.22. Brent running 11.5.17. Bill running at 10.5.14.
Second.
Make that 10.5.25. Michael Louie running at 10.5.14.
First. Third. Fourth.
Mark widening that lead
Second.
to 2 seconds over Jerry. Jerry's still only 2 seconds behind the first place. Brent was about 12 seconds behind second place. 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Third. Fourth. Second.
Very well spaced out. Really gets ahead of, gets stuck on the pipe a little bit, keeps it rolling. Down to the final 45 seconds until the tone.
Third.
Remember to keep rolling until you hear your name called. I will tell you when to stop. Just because you go across the line does not mean that you are done.
First.
Down to the final 30 seconds to the tone.
Third. Second. Fourth.
All places pretty widely spaced apart. There's the tone.
That was on purpose just to mess with you.
No.
His is nice and new, mine's all beat up.
Second. Third.
My windows are tinted yellow too.
Fourth. Michael, we done.
Mike Louie, you are down with 10.5.11. Mark, you are down with 12.5.19.
Fifth. Bill Hutt done.
Bill, you are down with a 10.5.20.